This is what the Tikka Tac A1 and 6.5 Creedmoor can do at 200 yards with Norma 130 grain golden target. It's smooth, consistent, deadly accurate. This is why I love Tikkas. I fired 4 5-round groups, with the largest group being only 0.7 MOA. I have the groups measured with calipers at the end of the video.
Even this relatively budget ammunition shoots amazing out of this rifle. You'll have no problem reaching out to 1,000 yards and beyond with it. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to help my channel out.